In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Gcash Mpin, how to reset Gcash Mpin. If you've forgotten your Gcash Mpin or just want to reset it for security, don't worry, this process is quick and straightforward. Your Mpin is the code that protects your Gcash wallet, so resetting it securely is important. First, make sure you have your phone with the Gcash app installed, a stable internet connection, and access to the mobile number linked to your Gcash account. You'll need that number to receive a verification code during the reset. Open the Gcash app. On the login screen, look for the option that says Forgot Mpin. Tap that. This tells Gcash you need to reset your code and starts the secure recovery process. Next, Gcash will send a 6-digit verification code to your registered mobile number via text message. This is a one-time code used to confirm it's really you. Keep an eye on your SMS inbox and remember that this code may expire if you wait too long, so use it as soon as it arrives. For your safety, never share this code with anyone. Gcash will never ask you for it in a call or a message outside the app. Once you receive the 6-digit code, enter it carefully into the app exactly as shown in the text message. After that, simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These on-screen instructions will guide you through the final steps of the reset and take you to the page where you can set a new Mpin. When you're asked to create your new Mpin, choose a number that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious choices like birthdays, repeating digits, or simple sequences. Pick something memorable yet secure, type it in slowly to avoid mistakes, and confirm it when prompted. After you've created your new Mpin, the app will save it, and you'll be able to log in with it right away. Take a moment to store your new Mpin safely, commit it to memory, or write it down in a secure place that only you can access. Do not share your Mpin with anyone, and never enter it on suspicious links or unofficial apps. That's it. Open Gcash, tap Forgot Mpin, enter the 6-digit code you receive, follow the on-screen prompts, and set a new Mpin. Keeping your Mpin safe ensures your wallet stays protected, and now you know exactly how to reset it whenever you need to.